Wagwan everybody, I'm Patrick and welcome with the Big Up Jamaica channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Today's video will be another video in my Why Do Jamaicans series. Please check out the playlist to see the others. And if you have any suggestions for new videos, please drop them in the comments section. In Jamaica, Saturday is known as Soup Day. From Kingston to Montego Bay, the aroma of simmering chicken, beef, or red pea soup fills the air. It's more than just a meal, it's a tradition deeply rooted in Jamaican culture and history. The custom of eating soup on Saturdays dates back to the island's colonial days. For many working-class families, Saturday was the day to clean the house, wash clothes, and prepare for Sunday worship. A big pot of soup made perfect sense. It was hearty, affordable, and could cook slowly while other chores were being done. In those early days, enslaved Africans and their descendants often had limited ingredients, so they made use of what was available: bones, ground provisions, and herbs. Over time, this evolved into the rich, flavorful soups we know today. Jamaican soups are thick, almost like a stew, packed with yam, Irish potatoes, dumplings, and meat. They're not just a starter, they're the main event. One of the most popular Saturday soups is red pea soup, made with kidney beans, salted beef or pork, and coconut milk. Another favorite is chicken foot soup, a dish that may surprise outsiders but is beloved by locals for its taste and nutrition. There's also manish water, a spicy goat soup often enjoyed by men, believed to be an energy booster and a symbol of strength. But the love for soup goes beyond taste. It's about community. On Saturdays, people gather around the pot sharing stories and laughter. Vendors sell soup on street corners and families make extras to share with neighbors. The pot of soup becomes a symbol of togetherness, warmth, and care. Even in modern times, when fast food and restaurants are everywhere, many Jamaicans still hold on to this ritual. No matter how busy life gets, Saturday just doesn't feel right without a bowl of hot soup. It's more than food, it's comfort, memory, and identity all in one. Soup Saturday reminds Jamaicans of where they came from and how simple traditions can keep a culture alive. So when you hear someone say, "A soup me a cook," on a Saturday in Jamaica, it's not just about what's for dinner. It's a celebration of heritage, family, and the unbreakable rhythm of Jamaican life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be instantly notified of new videos. See you on the next one.